Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a ring pour coasters. And I love the way that these come out. All you need to use is a few little bits inside your resin and you get some really great effects with them. Now I'm going to be using my own titanium white resin pigment. I'll link the video on how easy it is to make that and how to make that at the end of this video. But it's really easy and really cheap to make and you get tons of it. Honestly, it's so much more economical. And I'm also going to be using some powder and some mica powder. I've got all my colours mixed up and my resin mixed up now, and I've used my own titanium white, and as I said, I will link that video at the end of this one. And before I start pouring in rings, I'm going to be adding some 99% alcohol. You could probably add 92, but nothing lower. And I'm adding about 15 drops to this, and the reason I add it is it helps to slightly change the density of the resin and the pigment to give you the effect that you're looking for. Make sure you stir it in well. Don't stir it in too fast and then you won't introduce any additional bubbles. Now what I'll do is I will just continue to pour these in rings in alternating colours until I've got the coasters full. These have cured up nicely and I absolutely love. It's a pattern that you just really wouldn't be able to achieve, I don't think, any other way. Normally when I do this, the other side, which is the right side, I suppose, of the coaster, doesn't come out as well. But we will have a look and see. I like the edge, definitely, but that is my favourite side. Yeah, and this one's not come out too bad as well. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make a mould of these, but without the indent in them, so that I can make some just flat coasters, and so I can appreciate that side more. So let me know in the comments what you think of these. And I really think they're pretty. I think they're beautiful. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, then the link to that is in the description, along with a link to everything that I've used today. And please do me a big favour if you can, and hit that thumbs up. It really does help my videos get out there. Take care. Bye.